Welcome to the dollhouse.
Hey dolls, it's JayMonet. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how I customize my wigs before I install them. I'll be using Asteria straight hair and I put it in a ponytail for bleaching. So I'm using a brush in a mixing bowl, a hairbrush, a fine tooth comb, the True Colors 30 volume developer by Clairol, and I'm using the BW2 Bleach by Clairol. Also, I'm using the Got2b glue spray, which is in the yellow can. Using the Shimmer Lights purple shampoo for toning. And again, I'm using Asteria Hair's lace front wig. If you want details on the wig, I did make a video of a review. And also an elastic band if you want to sew an elastic band into your wig, which is optional. So first you're going to want to flip your wig inside out so the lace is exposed. Next we're going to go in with the Got2b glued spray, and you're going to spray all of your lace. This is going to prevent the bleach from going onto the hair when you apply the bleach to the lace, and you're going to blow dry it on cool heat until it is completely dry. You want to make sure you're wearing gloves during this process because it can be damaging to your skin, but please do not do what I did. Do not put your wig on the canvas head because it is still going to allow the bleach to seep into the hair because it's being pushed onto the head. So take it off of the canvas head and put it on a stable surface. And next we're going to grab 2 scoops of the BW2 Bleach. We're going to put it into the mixing bowl. Next we're going to take my 30 volume developer and I'm going to pour it into the bowl until it becomes a thick toothpaste consistency. So I'll show you guys what that kind of looks like after I mix it with my brush. I definitely eyeballed the developer, but what I would do is I would look at the mixture, and if it was too crumbly, I would add some more, and if it was too watery, I would add some more bleach. So as you can see by the mixture, it's still too crumbly. It shouldn't be that powdery when you mix it, so I'm going to add some more developer, again eyeballing it until it gets to that thick toothpaste mixture. So now the mixture is much thicker, it's hard to stir, and you can see when I pick up the mixture it's not falling off of the bristles, which is a good sign. But I do want to make it a little bit thicker because I'd rather have it be thicker on the thicker side than the thinner side. So I'm going to go ahead and add some more bleach into the mixture, just a tad bit. perfect. This is how it should look. So again, for this step, make sure you take the wig off of the canvas head and apply it on a stable counter or something like that, and you're going to apply the bleach very softly onto the lace, but you want to make sure that you're covering each and every knot that you see. The knots are the little black dots on your lace, and so you're going to brush the bleach onto the lace, making sure that you don't push too hard so that it won't seep into the hair. But if you do it on the counter or do it on the table, it's probably not going to seep into the hair as easily. Okay, so after I applied the bleach and it's looking really nice and a thick consistency, I'm going to let it sit for 10 minutes and then I'm going to rinse it out. So as you guys can see, when I rinse it out, because I put it on the canvas head, it seeped through to the roots of the hair and it turned them blonde, but that's okay. It's an easy fix for blonde roots, so I'll show you guys how to fix that. So I went ahead and toned the wig with the Shimmer Light shampoo, and it toned down the blonde, but the knots are still black, so I'm gonna have to bleach it again. So this time I put the wig on a table and I let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes with bleach, and I let it air dry. To tone the lace, after I rinse it out, I'm going to use the Shimmer Light's purple shampoo, and I'm going to put it all over the lace and scrub it in, and I'm going to let it sit for a couple of minutes, maybe 10 to 15 minutes. After letting it sit for a while, I'm going to rinse it with cool water, and I'm going to make sure that all of the toning purple shampoo is off of the lace. So now I'm going to look for places where I see that the blonde is at the roots. I'm going to use my comb and part my hair, so when it comes to dyeing the roots, I know exactly where I'm going to put the dye at. So to dye the roots back black, I'm going to use the Via jet black hair color. I'm also going to use a paper bowl and some spoolies that are disposable, and I'm going to empty the dye into the bowl. So what you're going to do next is you're going to pull the hair up slightly so that you can see the blonde, and you're going to use your spoolie, dip it in your black hair dye, and you're going to brush upwards, kind of like you're doing your mascara. You're going to brush upwards to cover all of the blonde roots with the black dye. Make sure that you're pulling your hair upwards so that the dye is not going into the lace, but that it's traveling up the hair. I'll let the dye sit on my hair for about 25 to 30 minutes, following the package instructions, and I'll be back when I'm rinsing the hair. So after that time, I rinsed the hair with cool water, and I was checking to see if I saw any more blonde spots. And if I did, I just went back in with the dye and redid the dyeing process for those few blonde spots. But as you guys can see, most of the roots are back to their original black color, and so this method is perfect if you over bleach your knots or if the bleach seeps into the hair. And this is the final look after I dyed it and everything. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope that this helped you guys know how to fix your over bleached knots, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye.
Choose your fighter. Fight.